My name is Nunik Rahayu from School of Business and Management Institut Teknologi Bandung, Indonesia. I would like to present about an analysis of foreign investment in Indonesia between 2000 and 2010. Investment is the first step of economic development activities. It affects the level of economic growth and also reflects a widespread slowdown of economic development. Economic development will not be separated from investment activities that will provide various advantages such as job creation, utilization of economic resources as optimally as possible, and the quality of human resources and others. In the effort to grow the economy, every country is always trying to create a climate that can stimulate investment. The intended investment targets not only the public or the private sector in the country, but also foreign investors. Investment is a very important role in Indonesia's economic growth and development. Private investment plays an important role in the distribution of employment, income distribution, growth and population quality and technological advancement. Development of the performance of private investment in Indonesia is still not as expected. The contribution of investment continues to decline. One of the factors affecting the investment is the state of legal uncertainty. The performance of a country's macroeconomic variables, such as employment issues, economic growth, balance of payment equilibrium, and economic stability, affect the foreign investment. If not as expected, then the investors will divert investment funds to other countries the better performance of the macro variables. Capital investment is the first step of production. Dynamics affecting the level of capital investment and economic growth reflects the slowing down of rampant development. Based on literature, foreign investment is influenced by several factors such as the positive effect from foreign currency exchange rate in both the short and long-term period, international interest rate, gross domestic product, and the money supply, while the deposit interest rate, level of credit interest rate, and inflation had negatively affect. To discuss the result of this research, we need to look at the literature review from the factors that influence in foreign investments, which are gross domestic product, LIBOR, interest rate, and exchange rate. Investment is the first step of production. With such a position, the investment per se is also an early step of development activities. The dynamics affecting the level of investment growth reflecting the sluggish boom development. Investment is essentially a growing number of funds at this time in hopes to gain an advantage in the future. Investment is a capital expenditure that adds to the inventory. In the national accounts or GDP structure, by the use of investment capital is defined as the domestic fixed capital formation. According to the definition of BPS, fixed capital formation is expenditure for the procurement, manufacture, or purchases of goods, rather than consumer goods, whether from domestic or imported, including the former capital goods from abroad. Foreign investment is private capital investment by firms of one country into those of another. The Indonesian government periodically issues what is known as the negative list of investment. The negative list of investment provides the list of areas in which foreign investors are prohibited, to restricted, or to enter into business in Indonesia. In concept, any area that is not listed in the negative list of investment is open for foreign investment and domestic investment. The establishment of foreign investment company in Indonesia shall be under the supervision of Investment Board and in the form of a limited liability company. GDP is the total market value of all final goods and services produced in a country in a given year, equal to total consumer investment and government spending plus the value of exports minus the value of imports. GDP refers to the market value of all final goods and services produced within a country in a given period. It is often considered an indicator of a country's standard of living. Nominal GDP measures the value of goods and services within a specified period according to the market price of the base period. Investment is a function of national income, that the higher the level of national income, the greater the investment expenditure undertaken by the community's economy. National income has a positive relationship with investment spending. Producers, by basing on the assumption of rationality, will only hold investments for investment projects is expected to be profitable. One of the factors that led to the investment project can be expected to be profitable if the demand for goods or services to be produced by the investment project is adequate. Increasing the level of national income has a tendency would result in increased demand goods and services. Thereby, increasing the level of national income led to increased investment projects undertaken by the community. LIBOR is the interest rate that banks charge each other for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year loans. LIBOR is an acronym for London Interbank Overnight Rate. This rate is that which is charged by London banks and is then published and used as the benchmark for bank rates all over the world. LIBOR is compiled by the British Banker Association or BBA and is published 11 AM each day in conjunction with Reuters. It is comprised from a panel of banks representing countries in each of the quoted currencies. The banks are asked what rate they would charge for a given currency at a given length of time. Based on the survey, the BBA quotes the LIBOR rate for each of 10 currencies for 15 different maturities, anywhere from overnight to 12 months loans. Influence the level of interest rate to the amount of public investment spending, either using a simple approach and a more general approach yield the same conclusion, in the sense that rising interest rates result in reduced investment spending, and conversely, decreasing interest rate lead to increased investment spending. The exchange rate or currency exchange rate is the price of a currency against other currencies. Currency is one of the important prices in an open economy given the enormous influence for the current account and macroeconomic variables of the other. Exchange rate plays an essential role in international trade relations because the exchange rate allows us to compare the prices of all goods and services. Exchange rate shows the number of domestic currency needed to buy 1 unit of a particular foreign currency. Each currency is always a possible decline in the exchange rate or depreciation, and other currencies or otherwise increase the exchange rate. It calls appreciation. The international financial circles prefers to use the effective exchange rate indicators are the average exchange rate between the domestic currency in the currency of a number of other countries that become most important trading partners. Thus, the priority factor is the relative importance of trade relations between the countries with a number of other countries that become the biggest trading partner.